What is nice about the co-work with Protolabs and the network is contact with a technical salesperson. I can easily get some assistance by our local sales manager, which helps us in setting up the requests right at the quality that we need. I'm Jonah, the CEO of JB Engineering. We are an automation and engineering company based in Leipzig. We build fixtures and we are building automated machines for the automation of processes. An example for a machine that we are building is behind us. It's an automation machine for the assembly of plastic parts for the automotive industry. We did several parts of the gripper and the actual fixture to get these plastic parts together from Protolabs, meaning we designed it, uploaded it and ordered it via Protolabs and then put it in. You can see it behind me. In automated machines there are a lot of parts that are similar, but to tell them apart you need to have the actually drawing number on the part. So that's a thing that we order quite often. Hard anodized surfaces can be quite challenging to get it in Germany, because in Germany you have the milling company and then you get the parts and then you put it to the anodizer and then you get it back and then you put it to the part markings. With Protolabs and the network there's a variety of surface treatments and I can anodize it with color, which I can choose. So that's what we are using quite often, because that really helped speeding up the process. It's really easy to get a quote on that. We have the flexibility of international sourcing combined with a local ambassador which we can call. So that's a good way on working together with Protolabs, and the lead times are good. And I mean, we can mark it in the calendar when the products or the parts will arrive, and we can plan with that.